Are human beings designed to serve? Good question. The obvious reasons, of course, are it feels good, it's the right thing to do. If you're a Christian, you might say, because Jesus served and he called his followers to serve, and I think that's true. But if you're a non-religious person, you might also say, it's because I want to leave the world a better place than I found it. Regardless of your age, your education, your cultural context, I would bet if you saw a child walking the traffic, you would identify that need and likely do something about it. In other words, the inclination to see a need and to meet it. Service is inherently human, and science backs this up. Service has tangible mental and emotional health impacts. Psychology Today in 2016 published a study where researchers made the connection between service of others and the release of oxytocin, the good feeling hormone. Just like eating a great meal, kicking the winning goal, or petting a puppy produces dopamine that makes you feel really good, so does service. When you serve, you do feel good because you are having a physiologic response to being kind to others. The 2002 Kellogg study found that service has a rolling forward effect. For example, if you're in a restaurant and your waitstaff comes up to you and says your meal has been paid for, anonymously, by another patron in the restaurant, beyond appreciation, the study suggests that you're more likely to go out and identify and serve a need in somebody else. The odds go up that they would serve somebody else. And on it goes. I believe that service is inherently human. And this study and many others like them point to that. If you're looking for more ways to serve, come join us at Hope Worldwide. We are a faith-based nonprofit organizing volunteers for works of service around the world. You can find us at HOPEww.org. If you like this video, please subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel. But for now, that's another tool in your toolbox.
I also want to ask if you'll consider becoming a monthly Kidogo supporter at KidogoToolbox.com. We're really a small team here in San Antonio, Texas, making these videos. Honestly, even giving $1, $2, or $5 a month can really help us to build the momentum to make many more videos just like this one. Our goal is to give you tools for your life toolbox.